Hey guys, it's me, got 38 here. I got something. Look, I got this for Valentine's Day, and it's by Brickcraft. It's called Botanicals Brick Building Set, and it's a look at that wine bottle and the glasses. Look at like it's got wine in the glasses. Isn't that cute? It's 136 pieces, and it's over 11 inches tall, y'all. And it says non-alcohol at the top. So, yes. So that's without further ado. Let's go ahead and build this thing. I'm excited. There it is, all built. Whew. I'm glad I'm finished though. It was just a little bit challenging. I'll tell you one thing, it's not a Lego, but yeah, it's a brick, but it's just the way you have to line up the pieces. So yeah, but other than that, I enjoyed it. I think they came from Walmart. I really don't know the price of it. Yeah, I got it for Valentine's Day. So yeah, head out to your Walmart and get you one. All right, guys, comment Comment, thumbs up, subscribe. Yeah, all those good things. You have a good one.